She said, I'm missing him so much कि उसने जो सिगरेट पी के जो उसके ये
बर्ड होते
तो उसने कभी सिगरेट नहीं पिया था, बट दैट सैडली मुझे अभी भी रोना आता है दैट उसने वो जलाया एंड शी स्टार्टेड स्मोकिंग द लेफ्ट ओवर सिगरेट्स ऑफ हर हस्बैंड. मेरे हस्बैंड का अफेयर चल रहा है, मुझे किसी ने आके बोला, course it is devastating, I'm not saying it's not, but then if I see it with my own eyes in my bedroom on my bed, what it is, it could be black comedy, sometimes it is black comedy, sometimes it is black tragedy also, because like I saw the film again right now. I mean, you cry and then you're laughing, you're crying and then you're laughing. शराबी की जो अमिताभ बच्चन हो चुकी है, तो सोनाली से ये कहने की परमिशन ली है पहले, उसको नहीं अप्रोच किया गया था, किसी और को अप्रोच किया गया था फॉर द रोल.
Hey guys, this is Alice Cara Peter, and today I have a guest with me who is known for her phenomenal and authentic storytelling. She has created a mark in the Marathi industry and also in the Bollywood and OTT area. So please welcome Amrita Subhash.
How are you doing? Great meeting you again.
Again, yes.
After I was flying as Chidiya, now we are here again.
Yeah, here again. Okay, so tell me what's happening. The promotions are happening for Parinati.
Yes.
And we're super excited. It's looking like a very amazing trailer, yeah?
Yes. Even when this film came to me, like for the first time, I'm fond of first timers. I've done many films jisme, I've worked with first time directors. And I love it when the director is himself a writer as well. So here also Akshay Balasaraf, when this and as I have said earlier also, content is the king, queen.
Yes.
Here it's queen again, and that is what drives me. So when I read the script, his narrative style was so amazing. I was like, oh my god, I have to be part of this film. And I must say, you mentioned many things that happened to me after this film. OTT had not happened then when I did this film. So I must mention some names here, because I would like to start on the note of gratitude, because these people are the first ones who thought that I could be trusted as a protagonist of a film.
Okay.
This has been my first that kind of thing where the story, I'm this, like, she's the protagonist of this film. So Parag Mehta, Harsh Narula and Akshay Balasaraf, these three people are the first ones. Like, when you become, like, right now Jaran is running successfully.
Yes.
Today I got the news that it is the highest business is saal ka kiya hai us film
wow.
in Marathi, of course.
That's amazing.
So yeah, but then this has happened. There also I'm playing a protagonist, but there is a beginning, and those beginnings are always special. And I always remember people who trusted me first, and these are the people who started it, who I think it's their vision, which then happened. Then Netflix happened. Then then I also got in Hindi. Also, I got a show like Saas Bahu Achar Private Limited, where she was the protagonist. But then it has to start from somebody's vision. Somebody has to trust you for the first time.
Correct.
And these are these people. Akshay, Harsh, and Parag. So I would always be grateful to them, and I think all that I have achieved, their vision, their blessings, and their trust on me has worked for that. And then, of course, now coming back to Parinati, you have to consider this, that this protagonist, he has written this about Saili, my name in the film.
In the character,
yeah, the character's name. He has written such a modern character before, like, Netflix and everything has happened. I would say OTT, not only Netflix, otherwise they're like, hello. Yeah, so this has happened before OTT had happened to India. So at that time, a guy writing such a strong female character, I was really pleasantly surprised, and I was very happy that he trusted me for that role.
Yeah.
And and then we started the process. So basically the content was very strong, very strong.
You mentioned so many pointers right now, and I have instant, like, flashbacks, and I also have instant, like, I really need to ask more about this. And the first thing I want to ask you is you spoke about the day the narration was, the narration happened.
Yes.
Okay, and it was in a very different style. So can you tell me about that day? ऐसे क्या हुआ उस दिन पे that you thought कि I need to do this film?
Normally narration से ज़्यादा भी I read the script.
Yeah.
ये है, because sometimes what happens if the director himself is a very good actor, और sometimes he's a very bad actor also because he's not supposed to act, right?
Yeah.
So मुझे लगता है कि मुझे neutrally पढ़ने दो.
Correct.
So he gave me the script, and there is a scene in the film that the husband predicts that he brings me in the, like, he has got me in our new house.
Yeah.
And for the
unfurnished
first
house
time.
completely.
Yes. And then he says कि कुछ साल बाद तुम यहाँ पे आओगी, and then you have this bad habit of giving me surprises, and you will come here और तुझे मुझे surprise देना होगा, or you will see me with, and then the
Yeah.
So the treatment of the scene itself, the way it was written, I was like, oh my God, how did even Akshay, उसके कैसे दिमाग में आया इस बंदे के, मतलब ऐसे. तो that was my, वो सीन जो था ना, जिस तरह से उसने वो लिखा था, आई एम लाइक, आई हैव टू डू दिस फिल्म, आई हैव टू डू दिस फिल्म, ऐसे था. ये ट्रीटमेंट शुरुआत से, लाइक द नरेटिव हैज दिस अलग फॉर्म, मतलब फिल्म में, स्क्रीन प्ले में अलग फॉर्म को एक्सपेरिमेंट करना तब, say what it is. It could be black comedy. Sometimes it is black comedy. Sometimes it is black tragedy also, because like I saw the film again right now. I mean, you cry and then you're laughing. You're crying and then you're laughing. So, and this black thing, I have seldom seen this happening on screen. It's very difficult to catch it.
Correct.
Sometimes in play, maybe it is easier, but not. But in film, it is, because the line is very thin.
Yes.
You can fall.
Yeah.
It can fall on face. But the way it had happened in the narrative, in the screenplay, and the way he transformed it while filming it. I mean, these guys, they are so young, but they are so clear. And I love working with them. That's why the first timers.
Yeah.
So it was a very, so that made me, and I also saw Akshay, and then I talked, like I had and the things he told me about the character, the way he described Saili.
Yeah.
He said, sometimes when the trust is broken, you go into this, quiet destruction kind of a thing. Like you start destructing yourself.
Yes.
That is what is happening to her. मतलब वो जो, मतलब jokingly मैं कहूँगी कि वो जो एक शराबी की जो अमिताभ बच्चन हो चुकी है, तो उसका जो बेस है वो ये है कि ट्रस्ट, और वो इतनी ऑनेस्ट लड़की है ना साइली, मतलब उसका प्यार इतना ऑनेस्ट है, एंड व्हेन शी इज इनोसेंट, शी इज ऑनेस्ट, तो कुछ लोग इतना ज्यादा ट्रस्ट करते हैं ना दूसरों के ऊपर, दैट व्हेन दैट ट्रस्ट इज ब्रोकन, इट्स टू मच टू टेक, एंड देन इट्स डेवास्टेटिंग, एंड देन शी गोज इनटू दिस क्वाइट डिस्ट्रक्शन वेयर शी स्टार्ट्स going जहां पे उसको नहीं जाना है, and she cannot face that pain, which has is devastation जो वो face नहीं कर पा रही है.
Correct.
So जिस तरह से उसने वो समझाया मुझे, quiet destruction जो कि endure नहीं कर पा रही है, जब ये सब कुछ घट रहा था, मेरी एक दोस्त के साथ ही हो रहा था, and she used to tell me everything, and she said that Amrita, and she was very traditional mindset, है ना, मतलब जैसे साइली भी डॉक्टर है, लाइक साइली मॉडर्न, लेकिन मेरी जो दोस्त थी वो ऐसी, लेकिन साइली का जो मन है ना, इनोसेंट, ऑनेस्टी, लॉयल्टी जिनका वैल्यू है, लॉयल्टी जिनका वैल्यू है ना, वैसी मेरी दोस्त. और ऐसी मेरी दोस्त जिसने कभी शराब नहीं पी है, जिसने कभी सिगरेट की तरफ देखा भी नहीं है, वो इतनी ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब हो गई थी that once she told me that I think I'm going mad because पता है मैंने आज क्या किया. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ? तो उसने कहा I'm missing him. Because he was with somebody else.
Yeah.
She said I'm missing him so much कि उसने जो सिगरेट पी के जो उसके ये
बर्ड होते हैं,
हाँ, तो उसने कभी सिगरेट नहीं पिया था, but that sadly मुझे अभी भी रोना आता है that उसने वो जलाया, and she started smoking the leftover cigarettes of her husband, and it still brings tears to my eyes, the kind of pain she was going through.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you cannot say कि अरे ये सिगरेट क्यों पी रही है, it is that pain, और नहीं पता चल रहा है, the way, even I'm shown the way she's doing that on stage, वो जो pain है, and I was just looking at her, and at the same time I was reading the script, and so it was going parallelly, and it was a parallel thing, and so this was my opportunity to I think represent all these women, and not only women, by the way, let me just tell you, it's beyond gender, because अब मेरा ट्रस्ट मेरे सहेली ने भी ब्रेक किया है, it could be कि भाई मैंने तुझे कुछ बताया था, तूने क्यों वो सीक्रेट नहीं रखा, you know. So ये मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. When I was in college, I had a friend, and then she, जो मैंने उसको सीक्रेट बताया था वो किसी और. This was a very small example of.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is like, this is not only about like men ऐसे होते हैं, you know, or women बेचारे. No, I have seen some of my male friends devastated because they have been cheated by their women partners. So like, this is beyond gender,
Yes.
but this is about that pain.
Yes.
As Akshay told me when I was preparing for this role, that this is about her journey of, you know, breaking those shackles and becoming free.
Yes.
Because sometimes, you know, what happens in a relationship, you know, I am looking for validation in your eyes.
Yes.
And then if you are not there, I don't know what to do with my
Yeah.
life, and I'm shattered. And then I lose myself completely.
Correct. Yeah.
So this is finding yourself. This is realizing that, oh no, I have my own life of my own.
Yeah.
Of course, I'm devastated because he, whom I love the most in the world, has done this to me. But still, I'm worth living. And I'm not going to just, you know, lose it by going the way first Siley
Yes.
goes, I would say.
Yeah.
So all of that was there, and all of that was happening then, and I think it's happening still, right? What we read
Yes.
recently.
Yes.
Recently. So I think this subject will always be like, you
Around,
know,
yeah.
unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Breaking of trust is part of life, whether it's by your friend, whether it's between two male friends, two female friends,
Or
whether it's by
partners.
partners,
Yeah.
or you know, even brother can make like brother, sister, anything,
Siblings,
like in
betrayal
any
can happen. Correct.
relationship.
Yes.
And that is why I think this film will touch.
Yeah. A varied
Each
kind of
soul.
audience. Correct,
Yeah.
correct. I think you very well put it. That, you know, a relationship can be of any kind.
Yeah.
But when it's met with betrayal
Yeah.
or cheating,
Yeah.
the emotion of pain is what everyone kind of like, you know, resonates with. Maybe in different layers and levels, but of the same kind. So I think you very well
Exactly.
put that way.
Exactly.
But you very interestingly also drew parallels to a personal instance that happened with
Yeah.
your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, when you are the character who's going through something like this, I want to ask you that at a personal level, when you switch off from your character and come home, do you actually manage to switch off, or do you stay with that character?
That's a very good question. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. You know, my husband jokingly says, he's also director, Sandesh Kulkarni.
Yeah.
He keeps, and he's of course a writer. So he keeps saying that, you know, Laurence Olivier's wife has written about her husband. She has written Men in My Life. You know, the book is called Men in My Life because Laurence Olivier used to come home with different characters.
Okay.
So of course, I'm not comparing myself with anybody, but Sandesh jokingly says that, you know, if I write my autobiography, I would, or about you, I would say women in my life, because
Oh my God.
each time I'm
You're
doing
a different person.
I'm a different person. But now I have learned to draw a line, like, you know, because sometimes it becomes too much, and
Yeah.
sometimes I start looking at life from the character's perspective as
Yeah.
well. But as far as Siley is concerned, I would say that, you know, I do a line by, like, because I myself think cheating is of, I would say, two kinds. Sometimes you cheat, but you're aware of it. It's a
Yes.
mistake,
Yeah.
and you are guilty.
Yeah.
And then you know that loyalty, you have betrayed your partner, and you take the responsibility of all of that. And then maybe you could be given a second chance.
Yes.
But right now, while we're talking, you know, a separation is happening in my friend's life, where he's not taking responsibility, and he's just like, you know what, you have to just
Live with it.
yeah, I mean, he's doing it, and you just have to ignore it or whatever. And especially as in this film, when a kid is involved,
Yes.
those scenes are such heartbreaking scenes, and I have seen it happening again, unfortunately, around me. When a kid is involved,
Yeah.
the mother cannot, you know, she's trying her best. She doesn't want him to think badly about his father, but
Yeah.
it's a very complicated situation.
Yeah.
Because she hates him, but then,
Yeah.
you know, she knows that the kid loves the father, right? I mean, you cannot tell him that now hate him. Like, that cannot happen.
Yeah, that cannot happen.
That cannot happen. So this situation where you are a mother, So you understand what he would love him, but at the same time, you know, my friend I just mentioned, like who is also going through. I was telling you about a friend who was going through that at that time. Now she's going through that this time. She said that, you know, she said that I want to separate from my husband because when my son grows up, he should know that treating a woman like this is not taken silently.
Yeah.
So I want to set an example. Most of the times, kids look up to their fathers, right? I mean,
Yes.
or mother, or parents.
Parents, yeah.
This sentence of hers, like,
Stayed with
stuck,
you.
yeah, because she's so right. That when you're a mother, it's not. I cannot be just telling my kid that, you know what, he's bad and don't like hate. There are so many responsibilities and so many thin lines you have to, you know, so many
Be careful
things
of
at the
them,
same time. So Saili is going through that as well.
Yeah.
That, you know, मेरे बच्चे को ये पता चलना चाहिए कि वो ये ऐसा ना करे. And अक्षय के डायलॉग्स भी अमेजिंग हैं. और जब मेरी सास मुझसे मिलने आती है, शी इज लाइक, ये कितने दिन तक चलेगा, तुमने उसको क्यों घर से निकाला है इन द फिल्म. वो कुछ कुछ कहती है, तो एक सेंटेंस उसका है कि आई होप कि मेरा बच्चा उसके पिता का एग्जाम्पल ना फॉलो करे. उस एकदम एक स्नैपिंग लाइन है उसका, जो वो सास को कहती है. एज वी से दैट मैरिज, इसमें तो ट्रस्ट सबसे ज्यादा, बिकॉज दो घर मिलते हैं, रिलेटिव्स सब इन्वॉल्व है, यू नो. तो जब वो ब्रेक होता है ना, तो उसको, वो सास को भी कुछ बोलना है, उसकी माँ उसको कुछ बोलती होगी कि भाई क्यों ये कर रही है, यू नो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज हाइडिंग इट बिकॉज शी हैज टू टेक केयर ऑफ द किड, है ना. तो वो भी है सब कुछ. तो ये इतने सारे रंग उसने भरे थे उस स्क्रिप्ट में. एंड तो इट वाज लाइक treat for an actor like who wants to do something different.
I'm going to draw parallels to another show that you had done, which you also mentioned earlier. Which is Saas Bahu Achar Private Limited, where the storyline is seeming, at least your character development is somewhat seeming the same. Okay, whether you got cheated on by your husband, your character rather got cheated on by the husband. Okay, separated, is now living with the wife, has started a separate family, but then there's also the children that are involved, and now that kind of a balance has to be maintained. Okay. Did you draw any inspiration from that character?
No, I mean, that character came
later.
Okay. Saili, as I said.
Happened way
before. As I said, Parag, Harsh and Akshay, they have seen a vision happen, which has happened
way before.
So Saili is the, like, beej of seed of everything. So, but I would say that it's so interesting that you also remembered that character, that एक ही सिचुएशन है, बट इन दोनों का रिएक्शन अलग अलग है, यू नो. एंड आई वुड से दैट ऑफ कोर्स साइली इज ऑन द वे ऑफ बिकमिंग जो सास बहू की कैरेक्टर थी, बिकॉज साइली का बच्चा भी छोटा है ना. वहां का जो कैरेक्टर दिखाया था, शी इज लाइक बच्चे बड़े हो चुके हैं, सो हर मैच्योरिटी इज, साइली इज मोर ह्यूमन, आई वुड से. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई वुड से कि उसको एक ज्यादा complications थे साइली के अंदर. So how Saili is different than Suman? Suman is more mature because she's also, her age is like, you know, उसके बच्चे बड़े हो चुके हैं. साइली, उसका बच्चा अभी छोटा है, so she is उसमें स्पाइस ज्यादा है, I would say. साइली is more और थोड़ी बिटर भी है. डिवास्टेशन जिस लेवल का हो गया. एंड यू नो व्हाट, आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दिस ना, कि अब सुमन का मुझे पता नहीं, बिकॉज वो पास्ट उसका एग्जैक्टली कैसे हुआ वो दिखाया नहीं है. But I have seen this happening again. Saili का ये जो habit है सरप्राइज देने का, you know, when you see it visually, it is more devastating.
Correct.
Suppose मेरे husband का affair चल रहा है, मुझे किसी ने आके बोला, cause it is devastating. I'm not saying it's not. But then, if I see it with my own eyes in my bedroom on my bed,
that is like,
I can't even imagine. If I see it with my own eyes.
Correct.
जो मतलब थोड़ा सा मुझे लगता है गली बॉय में, जैसे वो बोलता है बेडरूम खाली कर. But then again, she's a traditional woman. Saili is a modern woman. She's a doctor.
Correct.
For God's sake. And she is like, you know, वो अपने पैरों पे खड़ी है and she's earning good money and all of that. After that, when this happens, I think that trauma is, मतलब वो एक अलग trauma है कि जब आप आंखों से देखते हो. And that makes Saili different than all the characters I have played. And that is why I think, you know, इतना जो उसका ज्यादा हुआ है ना, it's something, it's a memory I would say she doesn't want to go back to. इट इज हॉन्टिंग हर.
Yes.
ये जब एक्सीडेंटली पता चलता है ना, कई मेरी एक फ्रेंड का ये हो गया था कि मोबाइल पड़ा हुआ है, एंड देन शी जस्ट पिक्ड इट अप एंड देन शी सॉ हर मैसेज, लाइक द अदर वुमन्स
The other
मैसेज.
woman's message.
Yeah, when you see it is like devastating, like you know,
Of course.
this cheating is also of different, ये इसके भी रंग है. तो मुझे लगता है कि
For sure.
जैसे मैंने कहा चीटर्स दो रंग मतलब अलग अलग होते हैं. Here also, because she's seen it with her own eyes, I think
It affects her more.
it
that
affects
way.
her very very badly.
Yeah. Okay, tell me, how was it shooting with Sonali?
अरे यार, सोनाली के ऊपर एक पूरा चैप्टर मैं लिख सकती हूँ, because no, सोनाली is the reason this film happened.
Okay.
सोनाली से ये कहने की परमिशन ली है पहले that उसको नहीं अप्रोच किया गया था,
Okay.
किसी और को अप्रोच किया गया था
Okay.
फॉर द रोल. अनफॉर्चुनेटली एन वक्त पर बिल्कुल प्रोफेशनल बर्ताव नहीं था द अदर एक्टर हु वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म,
Okay.
जिसकी वजह से हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स का भी काफी नुकसान हुआ. शी जस्ट सेड नो एट द वेरी
Last minute.
last
I said.
minute. So Sonali was the reason that you know Saili is the protagonist, but still she, because I know that झरना का रोल जो लिखा गया है ना, ये समझने का उसके पास ये था. You need to understand that. नहीं तो कई एक्ट्रेसेस क्या होता है ना कि जैसे मैंने भी खुद अभी अस्तु जो फिल्म की, मेरा सिर्फ 10 मिनट का स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस है. इट गॉट मी माई फर्स्ट नेशनल
Award. Yeah.
सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एक रोल का लेंथ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, उस रोल को किस तरह से लिखा गया है.
Correct.
सो ना अक्षु ने मुझे बहुत ब्यूटीफुली बोला था झरना के बारे में, और शायद सोनाली को भी बोला होगा कि ऑनेस्टी, लाइक लाइफ हैज वेज टू पे फॉर योर ऑनेस्टी. तो साइली इतनी ऑनेस्ट है कि उसकी स्ट्रेंथ वापस आती है, तो लाइफ सेंड्स यू समबडी एज एन एंजल.
Correct. Yeah.
It could be a friend, it could be a stranger, it could be anybody who helps you in that devastating situation.
Correct.
If you're honest, life has ways of rewarding you.
Yes.
और ये मेरा रिवॉर्ड जो है, साइली का जो रिवॉर्ड है वो झरना है. एंड सी इन रियल लाइफ ऑल्सो सोनाली वॉज दैट रिवॉर्ड फॉर अस फॉर दिस फिल्म.
For this film.
शी एक्चुअली बिकेम झरना. शी इज द रीजन कि हम जो धस गए थे बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट हैपेंड बिफोर शी केम इन द पिक्चर. इस फिल्म को उसने जिंदगी दी है. सो लाइक we all, like I'm saying this on behalf of Akshay, Parag, Harsh and the whole team of Parinati, that we thank her. It's because of her that we are talking right now,
Yeah,
and this
correct.
film is coming.
Yes.
And and yes, of course I was very very fond of like I had seen her in Natrang, but I was dead scared because here again these three mad people I just जिनके नाम मैंने लिए, they trusted me not only with playing Saili, but they also thought that I can dance with Sonali Kulkarni, who happens to be the best dancer in the industry. She did Apsara Ali, hang
Of
on.
course, exactly.
So like I'm like okay. So I think Parag को मैंने कहा Parag, are you sure? He's like आप कर, the way he used to say it ना कि आप करोगे, Akshu said आप करोगे, तो मुझे लगा यार शायद मैं करूँगी. And I must mention Fulva Khamkar, who is the choreographer of this
yes.
dance number. And this would be my first ever dance number, thanks to again my producers and my director, that that they people saw me dancing in Bombay Begums as a bar dancer. But now here Sonali is a bar dancer.
Exactly.
And when she came in the film, the way she came with her energy.
Yes.
She's so full of positivity. And again she's very honest. तो झरना के काफी जो गुण उसमें है, सोनाली ऑल्सो झरना जैसी है. झरना जो है ना फिल्म की जो किरदार है, वो मुंह पे आपको बोलेगी, सच बोलेगी.
अच्छा, okay.
सोनाली इज लाइक दैट, एंड which I love about.
Yeah.
अगर कुछ उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, बोलेगी नहीं, no, I don't like it. And I love such people in this दुनिया of just अच्छा कि these people are rare. So I love her for that. And then she brought her wit in the character. She brought her honesty. She brought her this, मैंने जैसे कहा कि, so she was combination of all of this. And dance number का shooting तो amazing था, because Sonali just comes on the set. She will see the action, एक बार बस देखेगी, and she's ready for take. She doesn't have to rehearse also. So I would say now you go back to your vanity. I'll have to rehearse it for like half an hour and then you come back. So she was very patient with me as far as the dance number is concerned. And Fulva Khamkar, the choreographer also, उन्होंने मुझे संभाला है. So Sonali, I fell in love with her as a person and also as an artist while doing this film. And आप देखोगे कि झरना किस तरह से साइली को, the way she's an angel for her. And the way, sometimes friends ऐसे नहीं है कि जो सिर्फ अच्छा ही बोले आपको.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to be told that, what, you're wrong.
Obviously.
And I also like Akshay's choice of placing this character as a bar dancer. We are talking about women जिनको कई बार ऐसे बोला जाता है ना कि ये wrong है, ये they are out of the box कुछ, और इन दोनों की जो दोस्ती इसमें हो जाती है, and वो दोस्ती ही है, because कुछ people बाद में से OTT वगैरह हुआ ना, कुछ लोगों ने नीचे, are you lesbians? We are not. This is just pure friendship. This is just pure friendship.
Yeah.
Which sometimes, acts as, it becomes your angel.
Yeah.
She becomes my angel in the film. Akshay has given a very nice twist in the end, which you will see in the film itself. But Sonali was a twist in actual life and again in the film also, I would say.
I'm still stuck at the part where you were told, like that time when you were told you have to dance with Sonali.
Yeah.
Because I still have like Apsara Ali playing in my head right now.
Isn't
and I'm like,
it? And
it's such a scary moment.
She's so gorgeous.
She's so gorgeous. And
She's
so
breathtaking.
Absolutely.
I mean, when she comes as the Apsara Ali, you're like, my breath literally stopped when I saw her in many of the dance numbers, but that is like the and by the way, Apsara Ali is also choreographed by Pulwa Khamkar, who has choreographed our song.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
I didn't know that part actually.
Yeah. So
even the recent one that went viral, if you remember, I think Rang Lagla also went viral. That was also choreographed by Pulwa, is it?
Rang Lagla?
Yeah, that song that went viral.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. I
remember they were, I think, at New York or something, where they danced on that bridge. And
yes.
Yeah.
So yes, of course. So Pulwa and Sonali, they go a long way.
Yeah.
Like from Natrang.
Yeah.
So their chemistry is amazing.
Yeah.
And I was very fortunate to witness that chemistry. And I'm thankful to Parag and her that they decided that she would be the choreographer. I think choreographer also कुछ और वहाँ पे भी एक twist है.
Okay.
तो I think सारे अच्छी चीजें घटती गई. I always say एक फिल्म का भी एक नसीब होता है.
Correct.
Every project comes with good luck or whatever.
Yes.
मैंने ये भी कहा, इस फिल्म को हम बोल रहे थे यार देर हो रही है, कब रिलीज होगी. But you know what I feel? I genuinely, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि this film जब हमने ये बनाई तब I don't think the audience was ready for this content.
Correct.
This is the right time for this film. That's what I think.
Yeah.
Because in between, as we discussed, OTT happened, and the good part of OTT is like it has made audience ready for certain things. And now audience is ready.
Yeah.
I'm also doing a play. वहाँ पे मुझे पता चलता है कि अगर आप फॉर्म के साथ कुछ experiments कर रहे हो, तब लोग बोल रहे थे अरे ये क्या है, and they were not. But now people are loving it. Now that they are watching this film now, they are like, oh wow, because they are ready for that format.
Correct, yes.
ऐसे नहीं, लेकिन कुछ अलग experiments they have seen on OTT. So
yes.
ये जो narrative के साथ, screenplay के साथ, structuring के साथ ये जो experiments OTT ने हमें दिखाए हैं.
Correct.
Not only in India, but we have been watching it like all over the world.
Correct.
OTT has opened the market, and then the audience always wanted like something like that. OTT gave them that, and it has nourished.
Yeah. Correct. Yes, definitely.
So I think this is the right time for this film, and तो लगता है कभी-कभी कि देर हुई, तब क्यों नहीं हुआ? But I think God has better plans.
Yeah.
Parag and I, we used to like हम सिद्धि विनायक जाते थे कि इस फिल्म का अच्छा होना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने बोला कि पहले कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई थी and the film stopped in between, and then Sonali. But before Sonali, we, मैं और पराग बोलते थे कि बप्पा क्या है. So now I said, मेरे और पराग की अभी भी बात हुई कि देख पराग कि ये प्लान ज्यादा अच्छा था ना.
Correct.
तब शायद वो नहीं एक्सेप्ट होने वाली थी. अब जिस तरह से हो गया, I'm sure. Yeah. I'm pretty sure कि अब people are ready for this perspective.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. I remember in one of the interviews you mentioned that, to prepare for your character
Mhm.
in Bombay Begums, you had gone to Kamatipura
Yeah.
and you spoke to like the women over there and you tried to
Reshma Appa.
understand, yes,
Yeah.
to understand, what is their life over there,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now, when it came to a role like what Jharna is, okay, which is played by Sonali, did you give her a few pointers that way from whatever you got to know from Reshma Appa?
No, but sweetie, I'm telling you that this has happened long before Bombay Begums.
Oh, it happened even before that. Oh my god.
No, that is what I'm saying. Parag, Harsh, and Akshay, they had this vision. This is the first protagonist role in my life I've done, and this has happened before everything. This has happened before even, I would say, maybe Astu, before my national
Oh,
award.
that's long.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. These people saw this vision, which is now getting materialized.
So, but
Yes,
from where I'm
so,
looking at it
yeah,
now,
that's what I'm telling you. That मतलब बार डांसर किसी और ने प्ले किया था जो मेरी लाइफ में बाद में आया, तो मुझे तो लगता है ये सारे इन लोगों का ही करा कराया है.
so I think you have to take notes from this film for so many of your other roles and characters.
That is
of
what I'm
the
saying.
projects.
That is what I'm saying. सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बाद में आए हैं. सास बहू आचार बाद में आया है, गली बॉय बाद में आया है, बॉम्बे बेगम्स बाद में आया है, एवरीथिंग बाद में आया है. दैट इज व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू कि जो लोग पहले आप पर ट्रस्ट करते हैं,
Yes, we go back to that one statement.
आई एम ऑलवेज ग्रेटफुल टू दीज पीपल बिकॉज मुझे तो ऑलमोस्ट लगा कि इन्होंने लिखा कुछ मेरे लिए, इन्होंने ट्रस्ट किया, उनको लगा कि अमृता सुभाष ये कर पाए. वो बोलते थे हाँ तुम आप करोगे मैम, आप करोगे मैम, आप करोगे. तो वो उस सब से शायद ये सब जो हुआ है, आई मीन सी दिस इज माई ट्रस्ट, दिस ये मेरी श्रद्धा है,
Yeah.
विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट.
Yes.
और मुझे लगता है कि श्रद्धा से ही सब कुछ होता है. मुझे तो ये
For
लगता
sure.
है
Yeah.
कि कोई हमारे लिए कुछ सोचता है,
Of course.
कोई पहली बार सोचता है. तो ये पराग ने सोचा है, ये अक्षय ने सोचा है, या हर्ष ने सोचा है. भाई उन्होंने तब पैसा लगाया है मेरे ऊपर. दे हैव नॉट प्लेड सेफ, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन,
Yes.
कि भाई कौन चल रहा है, यू नो ऐसा नहीं है. भाई जारण तो अब चली है ना, जो आज ही जो न्यूज आया है, आई मीन सी आई एम टेलिंग यू कि आज ही जो न्यूज आया है कि वो इस साल की जो हाईएस्ट
no.
अभी बनी है ना, पर उन्होंने फिल्म तब बनाई है, यू नो. सो मुझे लगता है कि इसकी शुरुआत, आज के इस पर्टिकुलर दिन की शुरुआत कहीं से होती है.
Of course.
देयर इज हिस्ट्री, देयर इज ट्रेल जहां से वो शुरुआत होती है.
Correct.
वो बीज है जो इन तीनों ने इस फिल्म के जरिए, यू नो, दे हैव सीन अ ड्रीम. मतलब मेरा भी इतना विश्वास नहीं था, मेरा भी खुद के ऊपर इतना विश्वास नहीं था जितना इन तीनों ने मुझ पर दिखाया. आई वुड से टैलेंट के ऊपर था, लेकिन मुझे लगता था यार पता नहीं, पर कहीं से किसी ने वो शुरुआत की कि नहीं आप में है और आप कर सकते हो. एंड देन इट हैज दैट ड्रीम, maybe it was their dream which has come true, I would say.
Yes.
Rather than my dream.
I think it's a very
All this.
heartwarming moment.
It is, and I mean it, Babu.
Yeah.
I mean it. मतलब whether it's, मतलब बीच में मैं और पराग हम बात करते रहते थे, अक्षय हम हर्ष हम, की पराग बोलता था मैम आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट योर सक्सेस. मैं उसको बोलती, और पराग का फोन उसको अभी भी पूछो, मैं उठाती हूँ, हाय एंजल, हाउ आर यू एंजल, कैसे हो एंजल. एंड आई मीन इट, ही वाज द फर्स्ट वन, यू नो. तो ये है बात, एंड आई कंप्लीटली बिलीव इन सच थिंग्स. अगर कोई कहता है कि भाई ये सब मैंने किया, तो भाई आप वहम, मतलब ये गलत फहमी है. जैसे इसमें भी, फिल्में भी दिखाया है, साइली जो इस सब से निकलती है, यू नो, कम्युनिटी होती है आप सबके साथ, और उसकी शुरुआत होती है कहीं से. दैट इज व्हाई दिस फिल्म इज वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी. दैट इज व्हाई आई वांट दिस फिल्म, एंड ऑल्सो फॉर इट्स सब्जेक्ट दो, बिकॉज इट हैज टच्ड माई हार्ट ऑल्सो. But also it is made with so much of love and trust and you know, उस तरह की honesty जो है ना, टैलेंट के लिए टैलेंट वाली honesty.
Correct.
बाद में हुआ, लेकिन जिसकी शुरुआत जहां हुई, इसलिए this will always be the most special film in my life, and these people will always remain my most loved angels.
Absolutely. Just like this film is special, I think your journey has also been very special.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you go back to my intro, I said that you're a phenomenal storyteller. Okay. A powerhouse of talent. Okay.
Thank
So
you.
let's go back right to the start.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Your childhood days, when you first had the thought that I want to be an actor. Okay, let's go back to that a little bit. And maybe the time that you told your mom.
Rather than I telling her, I think she showed me the way.
Okay.
Because for those people who don't know this, my mother is a very well-known actor.
Amazing
and-
actor.
Yes, she was my mother-in-law in Gully Boy, who is my actual mother. There's a very funny story regarding this. When
Please tell.
yeah, so when I was doing Bombay Begums, Pooja and I, we met for the first time, Pooja Bhatt and Gully Boy, and then she said, "Bhai, who is that woman who plays your mother-in-law? She's so good, man. She's got." So I thought, she's pulling my leg, obviously, na. So I'm like, "Pooja, shut up." She's like, "No, tell me, who is that woman? Like, कौन है वो actor? वो actor है, वो actual वही." So I said, "I hope you know who she is, right?" So I'm asking you, who is she? So I'm like, "She's my mother." What? I'm like, "Yeah, she is my actual mother." So she didn't even know. Pooja didn't even know that she's my actual mother, and she was like, "Who is an actor? Who has played your mother?" So I'm like, "She is my mother." So I come from like उनका सब मैंने जर्नी देखा हुआ है, and I have seen her कि घर पे भाकरी बना रही है, and वहां जाके the first role I saw her playing was तुगलक. मैं सौतेली माँ, सौतेली माँ का जो किरदार था उन्होंने वो किया था, and it's a villain's role, and I'm like, why is she screaming like that on stage, like so. But that was my thing कि अरे यार ये माँ अलग है, and this मुझे तो लगता है split कैसे हो गया, like she would transform on stage, and I was in love with that process of transformation वो जो हो रहा था, and I'm like, I want to do that, because you might not believe, but I was a very shy and quiet kid when I was
Wow, I will not believe that.
I mean, yeah, that's what acting did to me, like it मुझे फ्रीडम मिला, एक तरह से ज्यादा ही कुछ मिला शायद, लेकिन फ्रीडम एक मुझे जो मिला ना, सॉरी मुझे, आई एम इमेजिनिंग माय हस्बैंड वाचिंग दिस, बट एनीवे,
why that?
no, because हम दोनों को ना बोलने का बहुत शौक है, तो हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर
अच्छा, okay.
अभी मुझे बात करनी है, तो लाइक तुम बहुत ज्यादा बात करती हो ना, लाइक तुम ज्यादा बात करते हो, तो लाइक जब मैंने कहा कि आई वाज अ क्वाइट किड, तो ही माइट लाफ, तो
अच्छा, that, oh.
So yeah, going back, this thing gave me freedom कि मतलब वो shyness पूरा मेरा, as you can see, चला गया, and एक तरह का freedom मुझे मिला, because मुझे किरदार मिले जिनके पीछे मैं छुप सकती थी,
Correct.
And then it gave me security कि उसके आड़े से देखना है मुझे, because I was very shy to like being myself then. I had many complexes कि भाई क्या am I dark, am I not good looking, am I this, जैसे मैंने कहा जब पराग और इन सब अक्षय ने और हर्ष ने फिल्म, मैंने कहा यार they think that I can be a protagonist of a film, okay, they're thinking this, so confidence ना होना has been my thing, but धीरे धीरे इस फील्ड ने मुझे वो ये दिया, और मेरी माँ ने मुझे वो रास्ता दिखाया. So my mother, I saw her on stage, and that gave me this मतलब वो घटता गया, and then of course I was very fortunate to have gurus like Satyajit Dubey ji, and then again of course Nasir sir in school, National School of Drama. Nasir sir ने जो कुछ मेरी एक characterization का जो कुछ भी मेरा whatever I have, like my base comes from him. It comes from my mother, and then it comes from him. So I have been fortunate. एक एंजल्स ऐसे मिले हैं जो मैंने नाम लिए, और एक ऐसे गुरु भी मिले.
Correct.
मैं गाना भी सीखती हूँ ना, तो एक चीज मुझे सिखाई थी मेरे गुरु ने, गुरु सात आए गुरु, मतलब 100 तप करोगे ना, 100 तप के बाद अच्छा गुरु मिलता है, तो वो वाली चीज है. तो आई थिंक आई हैव बीन फॉर्चुनेट कि मेरी माँ ही एक गुरु, फिर मेरे पिताजी इस फील्ड से नहीं थे, बट मेरा जो डिसिप्लिन है, मेरा जो एक बोलते हैं मराठी में एक वर्ड है चिकाटी, मतलब छोड़ना नहीं है चीजों को. विजिगिषा एक मराठी में बहुत अच्छा वर्ड है, तो वो सब मेरे पिताजी से आता है. माय मदर ऑलवेज सेज दैट ये तुम्हारे पिताजी का है. सो उस सब वजह से मुझे लगता है कि ये मैं करती गई, और ये जो अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते हैं इस फील्ड के, वो उसे फेस करने का, जैसे मैंने कहा कि साइली की जो शुरुआत थी, कि वो जो एक मैंने बोला ना क्वाइट डिस्ट्रक्शन की तरफ मैं नहीं गई, जो साइली का जो स्ट्रेंथ बाद में उसमें उभरता है, वो कहीं पे मेरे अंदर से ही मुझे मिला, बिकॉज यू हैव टू लुक इनसाइड. तो स्याही तो हमारी ही है ना, जो लिखते हैं, जो हम
Correct.
एंड थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग दैट आई एम अ स्टोरी टेलर, बिकॉज आई रियली वांट कि एक साइली की कहानी है तो, लेकिन उसकी स्याही हर बार मेरे अनुभवों से ही आएगी ना, लाइक इट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस जो वो लिखेगा.
Correct.
सो आई एम फॉर्चुनेट. ये जो जर्नी है वो बहुत मराठी में और एक वर्ड है अनवट, विच इज लाइक ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स which are unique.
Yeah.
So I'm thankful.
Looking forward to this
Thank
film. Thank you so much for removing your time and chatting with us. And
Thank
all
you.
the very best, Amrita.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Amrita Subhash and you're watching me on Mama Razi.